Hey guys, good morning. Listen, we're in the car. Where we going, honey?
Key West, and we taking y'all with us.
Wanted to finally take you guys with us to Key West. So when you hear us say Key West, you can see the scenery. Because I know some of you probably say they don't go to no damn Key West. Those fish, they catch it, they catch it in the store.
We catch a fish in the store. No, we gonna catch them in the ocean at Key West now. So we're gonna show you how it's done. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're gonna show you.
Hopefully we get some fish, because every time we bring somebody with us, we never catch fish.
I know, so we're bringing them, so we might not catch fish. Don't come salt us enough.
Don't salt me up, but we gonna catch some for your family. So tune in till we get back to you when we reach.
All right, family. So you see, we're at Do Road.
See the time? 4:21 a.m.
Yep.
See the time, First Lady?
4:21 a.m.
Okay.
It's gonna take us about 5 hours to get there, and it's nighttime. And when we finish fishing and we're coming home, it's nighttime again.
Yeah.
We'll see you in Key West, guys. First stop pit. What? How about first pit stop? Stop pit. McDonald's. Use the bathroom. Get a little breakfast. And then go to the bait shop and get our bait. So this is what I got for breakfast. Just a sausage McMuffin. That's all I get. Not really a McDonald's breakfast fan. What you got, honey?
Chicken and biscuit. And there was no cook.
There was no cook.
Yeah.
AKA Coke. We're at the bait shop. I'm about to go inside and go get our bait. So we're just eating some breakfast first. We're not getting these ones. We're getting live shrimp. This is where we come to get all of our bait. We're going fishing. We have a couple of places, but this one is the only one that had live shrimp. These are also bait fish as well. So they're counting our shrimp.
So when y'all come to the Keys, come to Angler's Bait Shop. Okay, family?
Okay, family, so this is the container that we hold the shrimp in. And these are the shrimps. How much?
42.
Yeah, man. And these are the shrimps. This is 10 dozen of shrimps. I thought he turned he didn't turn it on, honey? I thought he turned it on.
What's that morning? Hold on. I know my batteries ain't dead.
Can't be dead. We just bought those batteries. Alright guys, we had some technical difficulties. We'll be back. In Key West, we were in Key West before when we stopped at McDonald's and at the bait place. But we're just driving now to our location where we like to go fishing. Some of the scenery. I'm going to show you guys the 7 Mile Bridge when it comes up, okay? Okay. It has ice in there?
No, if I throw ice in
oh yeah, it won't fit. Alright guys, so we're stopping at our section that we always stop at to get some ice. It's $2 for ice, so. But even though it's $2, it's a big ass bag of ice. It ain't no 10-pound bag. It's a 16-pound bag of ice. And it comes out here, guys.
Ain't nothing that I do in Key West but fishing. I can't live down here, family.
Why?
I won't live in Key West because all you do is just fish. There's nothing to do. It stinks, man.
It stinks, man. Like a fish.
Yeah. All I do is fish down here, family. Now you know. Can't live down here. We can get one of what you call them house. And renting out, what you call that place?
Yeah, Airbnb.
Yeah. Seatbelt, huh?
Oh. Are on the 7 Mile Bridge. This is the new one, and over here is the old one. They had to take it down because obviously, as you can see, it's very, very small
And old.
and old.
That's when they did the Martin movie.
Yes, Martin Lawrence, Bad Boys 1, and they also did another movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Forgot which one was that. Yeah, they did a few movies over there, and on this bridge as well. I'm not sure what the traffic is for on that side, but
Glad we're not on that side.
I'm glad we're not on that side. But yes, this is the 7 Mile Bridge, and it is 7 miles. So I'm gonna take you guys with us for 7 miles. Okay guys, these like our fishing hats. We twinning.
Fishing time.
We should be there in like what, 10-15 minutes at our destination where we fish at. We fish off of a bridge. It's our secret bridge.
Secret spot. We're not gonna tell you.
Can't tell you guys.
And take all our fish and we can't do no mukbang.
It's not, that's not it coming up. Yeah.
After this one.
So after this bridge is our bridge, and we're gonna go fishing. And so we just put on fishing hats. It's not as sunny outside, but you still want to have it on because this is Florida and the weather changes so periodically. It'll go from hot to cool to windy to hot. Remember?
And then you get a tan.
All right, guys. All right, we've reached our destination, guys. This is the bridge that we fish off of. And that's the boat ramp. If you have a boat, you can go into the ocean. We don't know, so we're not having a boat, so. The only thing we have is banana boat. Yeah, we did go on the boat a couple of times. That's another story time, Jinx. Full of story. Alright family, so this is all the stuff that we bring with us. A whole bunch of stuff. In here we have chump, and that's what we use to attract the fishes. 2 bags of chump. In here, oh, the chump bag. That's what's in there. And then I showed you guys those already. That's a shrimp. And then we have a jug of water to wash our hands, because unfortunately they don't carry, well, they don't have any place to wash your hands or use the bathroom, so you have to make sure you use the bathroom before you get here. And then once you get here, if you have to use the bathroom again, you go in the bushes. No, I'm just playing. There's a store like a half a mile away. And then this is the tackle box that my daughter bought her father a few years ago for his birthday, and it has all of our hooks, our swivels, our weight, more line, our measuring thing to measure the fish, because each fish has a specific measurement that they have to be. And then we have some extra bags to put garbage. And then we have some more bait in there, and we have our wagon.
Yo, where you check my business, my youth?
Be quiet. And then we have our wagon, and we have this, which is some cloths. We use this when we catch a fish to hold the fish, to take the hook from out of the fish's mouth, because you know fish would juke you up.
My youth.
So this is our wagon.
Yeah, check my business out.
So we're gonna load everything up, guys, and then we'll meet you on the bridge. Whew, that was a walk. One thing about these bridges, they are long. Look at the water. So beautiful, huh?
Beautiful but dangerous.
We have somebody in their boat, and then we have some people over there fishing. I don't know if you can see them. They are right, they're right there. Can you see them? They're right there fishing. So what we're doing now, we're tired, long walking, is we're gonna get everything unloaded, string up our line, put our chump bucket or chump bag in the water, and get ourselves situated. What you said, honey? First catch of the day. We're gonna release this one though, because we don't know what kind of fish it is. So, but that's the first catch. Good job. Look on him. Pretty fish. It's our first time seeing this fish. There's so many different kind of fishes in the ocean, so they give you a big fine if you take the wrong fish.
Yep.
You caught something, honey? Woo! What's the size limit on a grouper? 28 to 32? It has to be between 28 inches and 32. Anything under 28, throw it back. Anything over 32, throw it back. It's a grouper.
It's in season.
Yeah, and it has to be in season also. So make sure when you come to Florida and you're fishing, make sure you know, you read up on your fishes, because you'll get in a lot of trouble if you catch fish and keep it that's not in season. But that's a nice grouper. Woo!
Back you go.
Yes, family, we're taking a lunch break. This is our sandwich. This is my sandwich. It's turkey with lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, oregano, salt and pepper, all in vinegar. And the hubby basically have the same thing.
Lunch break. We do a 12-hour shift. That's what we do when we come down here. 12 hours.
So we finished fishing at our first spot, and now we're having our lunch. And at Publix, this is a Publix sandwich. And then after that, we're gonna go to the next spot. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we just finished eating lunch. Now we drive into the next spot. We caught about 12 fish at the first spot, not bad. Heading to the second spot, small place. On this side is water, and on that side is water. So it's a very small island. Long island, but small. Alright, we'll see you at the next spot. Okay, we are back at it again. We're at second spot. At our second spot, our last spot. This is how we do it. We go to one spot in the morning, and then we wind it down with this spot. We love this spot. Look how beautiful the water is. Oh my goodness.
Higher though, family. The bridge higher.
Yeah, this is a higher bridge. Higher. Look how high that bridge is. And it's very, very long. Long. The water. Man, you just swim in it. You're not swimming in the ocean? Okay, so we're gonna unload. We move. So stupid. Okay, look at that.
Squid.
So this is squid. This is something that we use also
As bait.
as bait. Squid, shrimp. What's the other one, honey? What's the other one that we use?
Squid and shrimp. And sometimes, and this is a chump bag.
This is a chump bag. This is like,
bring all the fishes to you.
what's inside of it, baby?
The inside of the guts of the fishes and stuff like that, like the intestine, whatever they clean the fish out with, they just put it in a bag. So this attracts the fish.
Ooh.
Right here. Okay.
Okay, looks like a real fisherman.
Fisherman tip. Yeah.
So he's gonna drop it down in the water, and as you can see, this is a high bridge.
Yo, we jump up like you want to go in, man.
Oh, it's wetting me up.
This is a high bridge family. This one is different from the other one.
Yeah, the other one is a little bit lower. This one is higher.
Alright, boy, I just know this someone. So now when I drop this does the work. It's attract all the fishes. Big, small, large, tiny, hungry, not hungry.
Shit.
Oh, wait there.
There we go, see? And it just sits on top of the water so that the chump that's inside can be released through the holes of the bag, and the fish can smell it, and they come here, and then it makes it easier for us to catch fish. But you still got to be a pro at catching fish, because even though the fishes are there, you have to know how to hook up the fish. But it is beautiful. I can't wait until the sun sets. It's gonna be so beautiful. By yourself. Look at that. That's a long bridge. That's going back to the car, and then this is going. You're gonna walk further up. You see how far that bridge is? See how long it is? Whew. It's about a mile. All right, guys, I gotta get busy. We gotta get some fishes, some more fish. Okay? If we catch anything, I'll show it to you guys.
You know? What you do? Do a fish fry. Swim around. We'll work a long day. Right now.